Hi. Hi. Was that awkward? Um, I'm not. I'm not a cute person, is what I feel. Hi, my name is Jaswini Bharti. You are here to watch my first winter or garam kapdon wala organic haul. So I recently got my hands on some sweaters and knits and warm stuff because the winter season is coming. और ये सारी चीजें मैंने Myntra से ली हैं. Organic is now available on Myntra. The first thing that I ordered was this pink colored cable knit pattern में sweater. Now this is one of those sweaters जो proper knit, heavy, oversized Pinterest vibes वाले Organic पे दिखते रहते हैं. पहले Shein पे भी बहुत ही famous थे. I paid 1183 rupees for this. Size small है. Obviously the product that I got is this. As you can see, reference image में बहुत heavy, thick quality का wool दिख रहा है, लेकिन in real life it turned out to be something like this. Color same है. The color is very very beautiful. As you can see, ऐसा thick fabric इसका नहीं है. It's very light weighted as compared to the reference image. So that was a disappointment. अभी तक मैंने इसको try नहीं किया है. बाकी पैटर्न अच्छा है, मतलब इट लुक्स क्यूट बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स वर्थ 1183 रुपीज सो फार. और अब हम इसको ट्राई आउट करके देखते हैं कि डू आई फील एनी डिफरेंट आफ्टर ट्राइंग इट आउट. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्वेटर एंड इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक है. एक तो ये कलर ऐसा है ना, इट्स अ कलर दैट्स गोना सूट एवरी कॉम्प्लेक्शन एंड एवरी सीजन एंड दिस इज just such a beautiful color overall. And the sleeves are reaching my knuckles. It is something that I'm obsessed with. Are you obsessed with winter May sleeves reaching your knuckles? If you are, please comment down below. Let's see how many of us are. I'm having mixed feelings about this now. Of course, like, I'll not deny the fact that the quality is not worth 1183 rupees. But after wearing it, it looks so cute. The next thing that I ordered is this black cropped cardigan in a ripped material. I paid 1164 rupees for it. Ordered size small. Usually cardigans बहुत comfy, बहुत decent होते हैं. They're not something statement making or very fancy, but this one is very different from your usual cardigans. कहने के लिए cardigan है, but it's something very 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 fashionable. The product that I got is this. इसको उठाकर समझ में आ गया था कि दिस इज गुड क्वालिटी, मतलब काफ़ी वेट है मटेरियल में. इसकी स्पेशलिटी है दैट दिस हैज 2 zips एज यू कैन सी, सो यू कैन लाइक वेयर इट हाउ एवर यू वॉन्ट टू. आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. बट बिफोर दैट लुक एट द स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी ऑफ द फैब्रिक. काफ़ी स्ट्रेचेबल फैब्रिक है ये. कैन यू सी इट्स वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल. सो द फैब्रिक का क्वालिटी इज वेरी वेरी गुड एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट लुक्स. साइज स्मॉल इज फिटिंग मी लाइक अ ग्लव. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने टेलर स्टिच करवाया इसको. इसकी स्लीव्स मुझे शॉर्ट नहीं हो रही. यूजुअली मुझे स्लीव्स छोटी पड़ जाती हैं और बाकी फिट अच्छा आता है स्मॉल में. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो अ प्लस पॉइंट. दिस इज सो कंफर्टेबल. दिस इज वेरी 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 कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. आई लव इट. ओपन द जिपर दैट्स देयर एंड इट गेट्स योर फैंसी क्रॉप्ड टॉप एज वेल. So that's something I loved as well. You can style it up, style it down, wear it to work, if you keep the zipper band, and even casually, even to parties, you can just do so much with it. I love this product. The next thing that I ordered was this multicolored sweater. It is oversized and it has a ruched pattern. Ruched pattern पिछले 1-1.5 साल में has been all over the place. So here we are, even in the winters, it's still there. The product that I got is this. I paid 958 rupees for it. Ordered size small. इसको देखकर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन अगेन उतना अच्छा मुझे नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि रेफरेंस इमेज में इट वाज लुकिंग सो बल्की, सो हैवी, सो थिक. इन पर्सन इट्स क्वाइट लाइट वेट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई लाइक हाउ द फैब्रिक फील्स दो इट्स स्ट्रेची. वुलन और स्ट्रेची थोड़ा कम देखने को मिलता है. सो इट्स wool but it's still stretchy which I like. Okay, so this is the sweater so far. इसकी गर्दन के लिए जो होल है so tiny. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मेरा सिर इसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाएगा, लेकिन because of how stretchy it is, easily मैं fit हो गई इसके अंदर. The drawstring it definitely changes a lot, but I'm not able to completely make up my mind about this. I mean it's cute but I like the pink one better. Definitely warm, मतलब मुझे गर्मी लगना शुरू हो गई है इसमें. So it's warm for sure. The next thing thing that I ordered is something that I feel most people will like, and I am definitely a very hardcore member of that crew. It's a beige colored sweater. It's a knit sweater and it's got a turtleneck. What else do we want? We want turtlenecks and we want color beige and we want knits. I paid 958 rupees for it, or size S obviously. You can totally judge me, but I loved how most clothes in this haul smell. मतलब मैंने जब खोले थे packages तो the first thing that I noticed was the smell. बहुत अच्छी smell आ रही थी. See, this is the thing with expensive brands. They will market their product so well that because of the marketing, the overall product becomes better than the product. Lipstick का stain आ गया while I was trying it on. सबक एक को सीख हम सबको, अगर आपने बहुत मैट लिपस्टिक नहीं लगाई हुई तो टर्टल नेक पहनते समय थोड़ा सतर्क रहें. It feels heavy. This is how I like my winter stuff to be. It's heavy, it's very good quality. I like that about it. For the price, the quality is justified, and turtlenecks never really go off trend, right? You can always keep them in your wardrobe, always wear them. So yes, I like it. The next thing that I ordered is also the most affordable in the haul today. It's this pink colored ripped टॉप. वहाँ पर पुलोवर लिखा हुआ है, बट मेरी डिक्शनरी में इसको पुलोवर नहीं कहते. मेरी डिक्शनरी में दिस इज कॉल्ड टॉप, सो आई एम गोना कॉल इट अ टॉप. इट्स दिस रिब्ड टॉप. द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट इज दिस. ऑनेस्टली सो फार आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज काफ़ी पतला फैब्रिक है. मतलब ये विंटर के हिसाब से तो गर्म कपड़ों में इसको क्यों कैटेगराइज किया गया, आई डोंट नो. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सी थ्रू. आई ऑर्डर्ड एस. आई एम इन लव विद द पैटर्न ऑफ इट. इसका जो नेक है, the overall pattern, the fit and everything is looking very very fashionable, very chic, but still iska jo fabric hai, it's not up to the mark. You cannot consider this as something to be worn in the winters. It's a basic top, but iska ribbed material hai, thoda sa warm hai than your usual material. I'm somebody who likes to save the best for the last, and that is the case in this haul as well. I saved the most hot and happening product जिसके लिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा excited थी for the end. It's this charcoal colored denim jacket. ये इस पे मेरी बहुत समय से नजर रही थी. Shein पे भी there were similar jackets to these. Shein तो चला गया, यादें रह गई. And here we are. I paid 743 rupees for it. Ordered size small, and the jacket that I got is this. इसकी रेफरेंस इमेज और प्रोडक्ट ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद मैं डिसअपॉइंट हो जाऊँ, शायद मुझे सेम प्रोडक्ट ना मिले, बट इट इज़ एक्चुअली सो फार इट्स लुकिंग द सेम एज द रेफरेंस इमेज. लुक्स स्टनिंग. I feel like I'm a biker who's about to ride some bike that the biker cannot even name. पीछे में there are these, what do you call these? How can I forget this? Distress. I like it. I'm not disappointed, and this is something that actually looks worth the money that you paid for it. It looks like it's gonna stand out of the crowd. बहुत loose fit है. This is how I like my denim jackets to be, loosely fitted. So this brings us to the end of the video. These were all the products for the haul today. I hope you had a great time watching this, and I hope we meet again. And for that, you have to press the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, and even press the bell icon so that you instantly get to see whatever I upload, because I have more such content and even different content planned for the future as well. Consider subscribing to the channel. Maybe like this video, maybe share it. Up to you. अगर आप ये चीज़ें नहीं भी करते ना, there's one thing that I would specially ask you to do. It is please give me feedback as to how you think I can improve what I'm doing. अगर आपकी कोई भी suggestions हैं, questions हैं या फिर queries हैं, आप comment down कर सकते हैं. मुझे DM भी कर सकते हैं मेरे Instagram पे. Instagram पे हमें बड़े मजे आते हैं. We talk over there. You can join us over there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great winter season. Bye.